Sprinkles and even some snowflakes are trying to move into northwest Ohio this morning. Here's our soggy start to our week just on a radar moving into play here, and we're going to continue to keep an eye not only on some heavier rainfall into Indiana, but what we have right now. Doppler radar showing not only green on our map, but in southeast Michigan and even in our eastern counties east of 75. I can see a little bit of blue trying to pop in here. I anticipate that many of us are just going to be looking at raindrops. But I wouldn't be surprised if you do have a snowflake or two that tries to mix in if you're in southeast Michigan or again east of 75. But the wet weather, it's going to be here, and that rainfall is going to be steady during the morning. Some of the heaviest of rain still going to be working its way through even at 9-10 o'clock this morning, and still that blue on the hour-by-hour forecast at 10 o'clock. Again, we will have some snowflakes that will try to mix in some spots, but I don't anticipate accumulations or tricky travel. If anything, roadways should just be wet on your Monday. We'll find scattered showers for the afternoon, so the coverage will not be as dense. However, I still anticipate some sprinkles throughout the afternoon and even into the evening. But overnight, we finally dry things out. We'll have southerly winds that'll be very light, and by Tuesday morning should be an easier drive in. We won't have any wet weather until the afternoon. And I know you're thinking, how does that mud hens forecast look? It's opening day. Well, right at 4 o'clock, temperatures should be into the upper 50s, might even be able to sneak into those 60s. And I hope that we can keep that wet weather out of the Metro Toledo. We'll be off towards our south, and it'll try to move in. So make sure you take to the game not only your favorite ball cap, but also the WTOL 11 weather app. Now, rain totals with a wet week ahead, I'm going to take us out towards at least the halfway point of the week. And it's going to take a while that we pick up some rain. We'll have a lull. We'll kind of be on and off with the faucet. So I anticipate for about the next 3 days to pick up about a half to even an inch of rainfall. Some locations could even exceed that. Right now, though, if you're headed out the door, plan on temperatures to be into the mid to upper 30s. We have 40 degrees now in Toledo. Highs are going to be below average today. You'll find a little bit of a warm up before we have a cool down this weekend. Plan on that morning rain, but that will start to settle down. Yet we still have rain for much of this week. Hopefully this weekend we can dry out and keep it that way next week when our temperatures start to climb.